Hello everyone, I am Keval. I am currently studying in third semester in ICT department at Marwadi University, Rajkot. In this video, we are going to learn about data rate limits. There are two types of data rate limits. First is the Nyquist bit rate, which is a channel capacity for noiseless channel, and the other one, this one, is the Shannon capacity, which is the channel capacity for noisy channel. We are going to focus on this. This topic was included in our subject Introduction to Communication Engineering. This whole thing was guided by our HOD, Professor C.D. Parvasar. So let us study about it. This whole thing is mainly about the wireless link and hence this formula. The formula goes as shown here. Capacity equals to bandwidth into logarithm of 1 plus S by N ratio to the base 2. As we can see in the formula, the capacity is directly proportional to bandwidth. And according to this formula, we can see that channel size puts limit on bandwidth. About the formula, bandwidth is the bandwidth of the channel, SNR is the signal to noise ratio, and the capacity is the capacity of the channel in bits per second. There is no indication of the signal level, which means that no matter how many levels we have, we absolutely cannot achieve data rate higher than the capacity of the channel. In other words, we can say that it sets the upper bound over how fast information can be transmitted over the wireless link. And as we saw before, there is no way to exceed this limit. As we can see in the graph here, the limit cannot be exceeded. Moving on to S by N ratio, if we increase the signal strength, the whole term will increase and hence the capacity will increase. And on the other side, if we increase the noise, as you can see here, noise is in the denominator, so if we increase the denominator, the whole ratio decreases and it tends to 0. So logarithm of 1 is 0 and hence the capacity will be 0, which means it is at the maximum capacity of that wireless link. And if we try to increase the capacity of that wireless link, it will interfere with the other devices and also degrades the performance. So lastly, I want to say that we can never send more information than the Shannon limit. This was all about the Shannon capacity. Thank you. For the non-technical part, yes, I had to study this topic once again. And in the technical part, yes, as always, I was sure about what to do, when and where. Thank you.